What is up? Half Baked Beard here, and I've got some Honyocker Beard mail. Hells yeah! This is the elder from Honyocker. My good buddy Corey Wilson, Sasquatch. He sent me a little sample of this a while back, and I fucking loved it. It to me, it almost had the scent of like Nag Champa, like the incense. Dude, kind of took me back in the day, dude, when me and my brother were fucking burning, you know, some Nag Champa in our room to get rid of the smell of like burnt waffles. Oh, the yak butter. God, it smells so good. And of course, dude, it's smooth as fucking silk. God, I love that scent. Oh my god, dude, you guys. And of course, dude, the yak labels, dude, killer. Oh my god, dude. Woo, take me back. God, it smells good. Hell yeah. And man, yeah, if you guys pick yourself up, if you guys haven't tried Honyocker butter, dude. It's got shea butter, cocoa butter, jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, avocado oil, argan oil, castor oil, white beeswax, vitamin E, fragrance and essential oil blend, natural ingredients. And this is the 2 ounce, the 2 ounce tin. And dude, his butter is so good. And also his oil, it's a little on the thicker side, but it's got jojoba oil, sweet almond, avocado, argan, castor, vitamin E, and then his fragrance and essential oil blend. And yeah. Friggin' sweet. Let's take a little pop this top. Smells exactly the same. His oil just is, you got a nice, just almost super light gold color to it. You can see not much run. So it's got a nice thick consistency. Man, and it feels so good, so nourishing in your beard. I mean, I can't say enough good shit, dude, about any of the Honyocker stuff. And some codes out there: Breezy15, Blue Shirt 15, Butcher 15. I know there's a bunch. You guys definitely hit him up, dude. He's got some of the best, if not the best, co-wash or conditioner that I've ever tried. Shave your money, not your beard. Dude, that's fucking bitchin'. Adam over at Honyocker, killing it on the sticker game, killing it on the oil and butter game, dude, and also, yeah, his conditioner, fucking fire, my dude. Thank you for grabbing some geeger. Hope you enjoy it, Adam. Fuck yes, you know I will, because it's Honyocker, and what's there not to like? Awesome, guys. Well, hey, thanks so much, Adam, for getting this out to me. Dude, I can't wait to get it in the beard. You guys, have a great day. Stay baked. Stay bearded.